Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best Southern Callard Greens ever. Alright, we are going to add some coconut milk and jazz this up to a whole other level. Alright, so stay tuned, let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of our ingredients that we will be using, and they will also be in the description box along with the measurements. Here I have my turkey leg, my onions, garlic, parsley, my coconut milk, my seasoned chicken stock, and my collard greens. And we're going to also use the stem of the collard greens. So here I added my onions to my preheated pan with some oil. Then I'm adding my garlic, habanero peppers, and my cilantro and parsley. Now I'm going in with my turkey leg and my chicken stock. Then this is how I prepare my collard greens. I am going to cut and remove the stems. We're going to wash and save that. Awesome. And then we are going to blend, guys, our stems. Alright, so this is going to intensify the flavor of the collard greens. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. And also remember to hit that notification bell, guys. Awesome. Now we are going to strain, and we are going to use about a cup of the blended collard green stem. Then we're going in with our collard greens here, our turkey. We're going to take that and you can chip it up however you would like. Then you go in after about 30 minutes with the coconut milk. Allow this to cook for an additional 15 minutes. Taste, and you can adjust the seasoning to your taste and likeness, and this is what it looks like. You can sprinkle some fresh garlic that intensify the flavor as well. It is super delicious. Thank you guys again so much for spending the time with me today. Happy holidays. Bye bye.